Hello everyone. Do you want to edit your video and upload to YouTube? So in this video I will show you how you can edit your video and upload to YouTube. So for this purpose we use application. We use in this video Camtasia 9. Camtasia 9 is application that are used for beginners, and it's totally beginner. So let's get started. So this is our application Camtasia 9. You can see there is three parts. You can open this, and from here you can upload your media. It may be recorded video or audio and picture. So very nice. Here you can add your this is the timeline. Here you can edit, and this is the final video that you can see before you render your video. So let's get started and import a file. It may be video, audio, or a picture. Here we select this video and select and open this video. And it's upload to your application in Camtasia. So if you want other, just right click and import. Here we need audio, just upload to your Camtasia. So these are two files, audio and video. Add to your timeline. It's adding here. From here you can edit your video. So from here you can zoom in or zoom out the side of your video. From here you can also zoom out or zoom in, and from here also increase the size of the video. So, and we also add to timeline our audio. Here it, and you can reposition the audio anywhere you want as your choice. Very nice. Okay, put here the cursor. This is our video, and we can, if you want to delete some part, highlight the part and just press the delete button on your keyboard. That's it. And now video is playing. You can also reposition the audio. Put here your audio, and here you can increase or decrease the audio volume. I decrease the audio. So and here you can zoom in or zoom out some part of your video. Increase this triangle, and you can adjust anywhere. You can reposition your this triangle anywhere you want. It's for zoom in or zoom out. Look at this, and you can increase full screen and play again. Yeah, look at this. Zoom out or zoom in. Stop the video, and from here you can add animation to your feed. Suppose you add to your timeline. Suppose you want to add the subscribe button here. Just click on here and write any text you want. I like subscribe. I write subscribe. You can increase the size of your button like these, increase or decrease as your wish. Okay, from here you can also increase the size of the text any as your wish. You can increase or decrease the size, the shape. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and here you can choose a color, any color as your wish, any color you want and your follower want. So this is the from here you can adjust the text right to left in the top or the corner. So you can add other shapes from here like triangle, tick mark, and other things. I add to timeline. Look at these and other things also here. Look at this. The shape is painted on here. You can zoom you can position anywhere on the video and increase the duration of playing. Look at this. This is very important. If you want to focus on something, you can circle and create a shape like this. Stop the video, and these are other tick marks and other shapes. Camtasia is a very useful and powerful application to edit video. There is millions and millions YouTubers that use Camtasia. If you ask for some important YouTubers, which application do you use, they will probably use the Camtasia. It's very awesome application. So yeah, from here virtual effect and more, and virtual effect. Yeah, this is the virtual effect. Click on here. You can remove a color, remove your background color. It may be green, and add to schedule it. And here click and any color on your background. Just select this pane, and no, it's not working. So go to properties. Yeah, we try again and just selected media. Select media, come here and choose your background color, and yeah, that's it. That's remove your background color. Yeah, you can import any picture or other video to your background. I have a picture in my download folder. I'm searching for that. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, that's it. This is our picture. I import this in our Camtasia. So add to timeline. Yeah, and you have to reposition that to come up in front of us. You can reposition and click the video and go to on the portraits. Put here and increase the size of the picture. Yeah, that's it. Now it's working. Increase the size of your picture. You can reposition anywhere you want. You can zoom in and put your own picture in anywhere as your wish. So when you're also we have here, you can from here you can zoom out and zoom in to your video if you want to focus on something that you want to so in here share local file, you can render your final video and click next, and select this option and click on next, then next, and also next. From here you can choose the position of your file. I choose desktop and select a name for this file, video edited, any name you can choose, save, yeah, and finish. Now the rendering is starting. Rendering project, it takes some time, it depends on your computer.